Okay, let's play with vegetable and fruits. So, let's start with banana. This one is?
Banana.
What is this? This is a fruit or vegetable?
Fruit.
Okay. Keep this here. This one is?
Baba.
Guava. What is this? Fruit or vegetable?
Fruit.
This one is a fruit. Okay, what is this?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. It's a vegetable or a fruit?
Vegetable.
It's a vegetable. What is this, Bittu?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. This is a fruit or vegetable?
Fruit.
Fruit, yes. What is this? This one is a
Cabbage.
cabbage. Cabbage is a
Vegetable.
vegetable. This one is
Carrot.
carrot. This one
Corn.
corn. Corn is also a vegetable. Carrot is a vegetable. This one is a
Capsicum.
capsicum is a
Vegetable.
vegetable. What is this?
Brinjal.
Brinjal is a
Vegetable.
vegetable. What is this?
Orange.
Orange is a
Fruit.
fruit. Okay. What is this?
Apple.
Apple is a
Fruit.
fruit. What is this?
Grapes.
Grapes is a
Fruit.
fruit. What is this?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a
Vegetable.
vegetable. What is this?
Chili.
Chili is a...
Vegetable.
Oh, you want to eat chili?
No.
Oh, how tasty is it? Okay, let's cut all the vegetables first. Then we'll start with the fruits. Let's first the chili. Cut the chili first. Yes. Okay. You want to cut in this chopper board? This one is a chopping board. This one is a knife. Okay. You want to cut pumpkin? Pumpkin? Yeah.
And orange.
Okay, you cut the fruits. You cut the fruits. I will cut the vegetables. Yes. Okay, let's fast. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, this one is a fruit. Yes. Yes. Oh, I have done it. I have cut all the vegetables. Please cut the watermelon fast. Yes. Cut the grape. Yes. You want to eat it? Yes. What do you want to eat?
Banana.
You want to eat banana? Okay. Eat it. Oh, how tasty is it?
One.
It's tasty? Yes, so it like this. Yes.
One.
Okay. Now we will cook. Now we'll cook the vegetables. This one is the
Gas cylinder.
gas cylinder. This one is the gas stove.
Gas stove.
This one is the kadai.
Kadai.
This one is the pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
This one is the frying pan.
Frying pan.
Okay, let's cook the carrot.
Yeah.
Okay? Want to put this carrot over there? Shh. Oh, yes. Oh, it's ready. The carrot is ready. You want to eat it? You want to taste this? You want to taste the carrot? Oh, how tasty is it?
2.
Wow, it's very tasty. So let's end the game over there. We'll play the next game in the next day. Yes, bye.